Welcome back. This is Vicky. Today we'll be reading 100 sentences for the sound words list. Don't forget to write these words and sentences in your English notebook. Create one if you haven't done it already. Learn how to use words with ER sound in sentences. We're going to say 2 sentences for each word. Let's go! Joker. My deck of cards has a joker in it. That guy always acts like a joker. Junior. My son is a junior in high school. My son is a junior named after my husband. Liver. You must take care of your liver to be healthy. Some people eat liver with onions. Mr. His name is Mr. Jones. That is Mr. and Mrs. Jones. Neighbor. My neighbor is very friendly. A neighbor is someone that lives next to you. Number. Please give me your number so I can call you. Do you know how to say your numbers 1 through 10? October. October is the month before November. Halloween is celebrated in October. Offer. We put an offer in on that house. Can I offer you some coffee? Order. I'd like to order some chicken. I like to order things on the internet. Painter. I asked the painter to paint my kitchen. He is a painter. Partner. He is my business partner. She is my dance partner. Player. He is a soccer player. They are chess players. Power. The power on the house went out during the storm. My phone is out of power. Reader. You are an English reader. She is a book reader. Runner. He is a runner in the marathon. My sister is a runner. Sailor. He is a sailor on a ship. He is a good sailor. Scholar. A scholar is a person who studies. He is a great scholar. Senior. A senior is a person over 65 years old. Or it could be a senior in high school. Shower. Taking a shower is very relaxing. It rained today. It was a light shower. Singer. She is a singer. The singer sang a beautiful song. Soldier. A person in the army is a soldier. The soldier is standing guard. Speaker. The speaker makes the music sound loud. A person giving a speech is also a speaker. Sugar. Sugar tastes sweet. I like to put sugar in my coffee. Super. Have you heard of Superman? That was a super movie. Theater. Let's go to the theater and watch a play. The movie theater is around the corner. Tower. The cell phone tower is close to my home. The tower is very tall. Waiter. A waiter is a person who works in a restaurant. The waiter brought our drinks. Walker. She is a dog walker. The old man uses a walker. Winner. He is a winner. The winner gets a trophy. Writer. An author is a writer. She is an awesome writer. Barber. A man who cuts hair is a barber. He needs to go to the barber to get a haircut. Builder. He is a home builder. The builder is wearing a hard hat. Clever. The fox is known as a clever animal. That was a clever answer. Climber. The climber is going up the wall. Some vines are called climbers. Please note that the B in climber is silent. Cracker. I like to have crackers with my soup. Crackers are tasty. Danger. The sign says danger, stay away. Danger, keep out means stay away. Diver. A diver is a person who goes underwater. The diver is wearing flippers. Fighter. He is a martial arts fighter. That person does not give up. He is a fighter. Folder. Please put the papers in the folder. I have different colored folders in my office. Funnier. He is much funnier than I. That movie was funnier than the last. Gather. Gather means to bring together. Let's gather all the plants and put them in the basket. The family will gather together for Thanksgiving. Ginger. Ginger is a root used in cooking. I love the taste of ginger. Hanger. We put our clothes on hangers. Please put my shirt on a hanger. Hiker. The hiker was very tired. A hiker must always carry water. Instructor. Someone who teaches something is an instructor. She is a yoga instructor. Investor. I need an investor for my next project. He is an investor in that company. Jumper. The child is having fun on the jumper. A frog is a jumper. Later. I'll talk to you later. It's much later than I thought. Lumber. Wood pieces are called lumber. The man uses lumber to build a shed. Marker. I have markers in many different colors. I'm stuck at marker 15 on the highway. That's the end of the lesson. 100 sentences. Go practice the ER sound words list. The link is in the description. You did a great job. Please remember to like the video, share it with someone who needs help with English, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.